This is the biggest storm we've had in years, and that's how a neighborhood should be. Everybody takes care of their neighbors and, you know, make sure no one breaks their back.
Today I got maybe for about an hour. Yesterday I did about 4 or 5 hours. Day before, same thing. Just so throughout the night, try to keep the amounts down so it'd be easier on us.
If they don't plow by tomorrow, I'm at risk of losing my job, everything, because I work in the healthcare field. We're essential, but how are we supposed to be essential workers when we can't even get the help that we need being essential? So it's hard.
Came home and street hadn't been plowed yet. And I was just looking to come home and go to bed, but you know, it's just didn't feel right. I had to come down and open up the street. We stopped by the shop on the way here and figured we'd plow out our neighborhood and get our neighbors out.
My daughter, she's pregnant. Right now, she's due any day. She's been having contractions all night. I don't know what I would do. She'd probably give birth in the house, honestly. That's how bad it is. These streets aren't even walkable. It's like they pick and choose where they want to plow. But it's tough out here, it's tough.
Me, my cousin, and her husband, we've pretty much been out here throughout the day, yesterday, even the night before. Even cleaned the whole street so we can get out to make it to work. So it's been pretty bad. We try to help each other as far as neighbors go and everything. We try to look out for each other, do the best that we can to keep them, you know, everybody safe.
I came out yesterday, I shoveled some of it, but it was just too hard and it was too tough, so I'm back out here again. Hoping for a miracle. The city needs to get more plows, more help in the city. Because there's elderly people that are stuck in their homes. I work in the healthcare field. I can't even get to my clients to take care of them, to give them the medications they need. It's just tough. It's hard.